Hello guys, in this video I am going to review the top 5 best electric car jacks just for you. Here I have tested 5 different best electric car jacks to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So let's get started. Product number 1. Vevor Electric Car. Jack, the Vevor Electric Car. Jack is a solid choice for drivers who want dependable lifting power with minimal effort. Designed with a strong steel body and stable base, it provides excellent durability for frequent use. The electric hydraulic system delivers smooth, consistent lifting, making tire changes faster and less physically demanding. Most models support a generous weight capacity suitable for sedans, SUVs, and light trucks. What stands out is the thoughtful layout. The controls are straightforward, and the jack usually includes both a 12-volt car power adapter and a backup manual option for emergencies. Safety features such as automatic stop height and reinforced contact points help prevent overlifting or instability. While it may feel slightly heavier than basic models, that extra weight reflects its robust construction. Overall, the Vevor electric car jack offers strong performance, reliable safety, and excellent value for drivers who want long-term durability. Product number 2. E-Help Electric Car. Jack Kit. The E-Help Electric Car. Jack Kit is designed as an all-in-one roadside solution, ideal for everyday drivers. Its compact case neatly organizes the electric jack, power cables, gloves, and sometimes an impact wrench, making it easy to store in the trunk. The electric lifting mechanism operates smoothly and quietly, reducing stress during roadside repairs. Build quality is impressive for its class, with reinforced metal components and a stable base that enhances safety on uneven surfaces. The control system is user-friendly, allowing even first-time users to lift a vehicle confidently. Many drivers appreciate the integrated LED light, which improves visibility during nighttime emergencies. While its lifting capacity may not match heavy-duty professional jacks, it is more than sufficient for most passenger vehicles. The E-Help Electric Car Jack Kit delivers convenience, smart design, and strong value for drivers seeking a complete emergency setup. Product number 3. Yaw GTZ Electric Hydraulic Car. Jack Kit. The Roadside Electric Hydraulic Car. Jack Kit focuses on power and reliability, making it suitable for drivers who want extra lifting strength. Its hydraulic system provides steady, controlled elevation, reducing the risk of sudden drops. Built with high-grade metal and a wide base, it offers excellent stability and long-term durability. This kit often includes useful extras such as a tire inflator or electric wrench, enhancing its overall value. The layout is practical, with clearly marked controls and durable cables designed to handle repeated use. Safety is a key highlight, with features like overload protection and automatic height limits. Although the unit is slightly bulkier than simpler models, the added size supports better balance and performance. For drivers who prioritize lifting power and dependable construction, the Roadside Electric Hydraulic Car Jack Kit is a strong and trustworthy option. Product number 4. Stand Tall Electric Car. Jack Kit. The Stand Tall Electric Car. Jack Kit balances performance and portability, making it a popular choice for daily drivers. Its electric lifting system is efficient and easy to operate, allowing quick tire changes without manual strain. The sturdy steel frame and reinforced saddle provide reliable support for a wide range of vehicles. One of its strengths is its clean, organized layout. Components are well arranged in a compact storage case, which helps keep everything accessible during emergencies. The jack typically features a non-slip base and built-in safety mechanisms to prevent overextension. While it may not be the most powerful option on the market, it delivers consistent performance for standard cars and crossovers. Overall, the stand-tall electric car jack kit offers solid build quality, practical design, and good value for drivers who want a dependable, easy-to-use solution. Product number 5. Electric car jack. A standard. Electric car jack is a practical upgrade from traditional manual jacks, offering convenience and efficiency at an affordable level. These jacks are designed to plug directly into a vehicle's power outlet, providing effortless lifting with the push of a button. Most models feature a compact design that fits easily in a trunk without taking up excessive space. Build quality varies by model, but many offer durable metal frames and stable bases, suitable for everyday roadside use. The layout is generally simple, focusing on ease of operation rather than advanced features. While they may lack premium extras found in full kits, they still deliver reliable performance for routine tire changes. For drivers seeking a straightforward, budget-friendly solution that reduces physical effort, a basic electric car jack remains a useful and valuable automotive tool.